Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of AJAWI TV where we discuss architectural and construction related topics. I'm your host, AJAWI, and today I come to give you a little gem, right? I want to ask you this question, right? Have you ever wondered why your designer will say that he's collaborating with other professionals? The reason for that is this: construction, architecture, engineering are all collaborative, right? It's collaborative. Your contractor is not a designer, so don't expect your contractor to give you good design advice, or he should be giving you design advice. Your engineer is not an architect. Your architect is not an engineer. Your designer is not an engineer. Your designer may not be an interior designer. There are different professions within the industry, and depending on the collaborative efforts of these professionals, they all come together to bring you an end product, right? Understand this: if it is that you do not respect this process and you come to a designer to say, hey, I want this, or in most cases, a lot of times I see it happening where a client will take an image, right, and they will show it and say, this is the house that I want to design. This is what the living room will look like. This is what the kitchen will look like, right? As the professional, I would know that chances are this person had an interior designer. Probably they had an architect, a designer. They more likely had an engineer, right? There was a lot of collaboration happening, and chances are the contractor respected each of these professions. It is important to get these other professionals in to collaborate with in order to deliver the project that you want. And that means on your side as the client, you have to come with an open mind to actually allow your design professional to advise you to get these other professionals involved. I'm speaking from the perspective of residential construction. I'm not talking about large scale construction, so commercial, I'm not talking about that. I mainly focus on residential designs right now, right? And I must say that most of the times, clients want these nice designs that have been done or that has been done by professionals that have collaborated with other professionals in order to deliver that finished product that looks that great. And as a result, you are now admiring this design and you would want something like this.
AJAWI Printing. Quality, speed, satisfaction guaranteed or refund.
If you don't have an open mind towards the collaborative efforts of these other professionals, then you won't get the same result. I'm sorry to say, but you won't get the same result. A house that has been designed by a design professional and then had an interior designer come in and design the space, design the kitchen, the finishes within the kitchen, ensure that everything works with each other, that help you as the client pick out the different tiles, pick out what colors, the mixture of colors within the space. That end product will not be the same as when a contractor comes in who has no respect for those other professions. You won't get the same result, you won't get the same finish, especially if the budget doesn't allow, right? So you have to understand that design and construction is a collaborative effort, and the more you respect and have people within the process that respect these other areas, the more likely you will get the result that you want, right? I'll give you an example. So a client and I sat and we went through her design for months, right? For months, she and I sat, we went through everything, we got approval, we looked at how the space will look, the kind of concept that we want. Now, when the design goes on site, the contractor has a lot of suggestions as it relates to the space. My view is this: if you are a contractor, you are a building professional, meaning you are a professional in building technology. You know how to put the building together. As a designer, then I would know how to plan spaces and to ensure that the relationship between each spaces and the feel, the emotions that I want to invoke from these spaces are there, right? So when the contractor abandons his job as being the construction professional and starts to design and then delivers the project late, then he has failed, right? For me personally, I don't know about anybody else, if you abandon the one task that I give you to go do something else, meaning if I contract you to build a house and you spend a lot of time suggesting designs and not actually finish that project on time, within budget, then you have failed. I would much rather a contractor that delivers the project on time, delivers the project with the quality and within budget, right? And allow the design to be what was designed. We're not saying that you can't make suggestions as it relates to material substitute, but the overall design. Let me tell you what I mean in particular. If I have a room that is 12 foot by 12 foot, right? Designed to be 12 foot by 12 foot. But then you start constructing and then you say, no man, this bedroom is small, right? You should have a bigger closet. I think the closet should move from over here to over there. I think you're involving yourself in an area that you shouldn't. What I want is for you to construct and be the construction professional and then leave the design up to the designers, right? That's what I think. Tell me what you think. Do you disagree? Do you agree with what I'm saying? So comment in the comment section. I agree or I disagree. Anyways, it's another week, it's another day, and another opportunity to do great things. I'm AJAWI. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I make videos just like this one. All right, peace out. See you next time.
Building your dream home should be an exciting and fulfilling experience. But we understand the stress and challenges that often accompany construction projects. At AJAWI Limited, we believe that designing and building your home should be stress-free. Our goal is to eliminate that stress by delivering your projects within budget while exceeding your expectations. What sets us apart is our comprehensive one-stop-shop solution. From design to construction, we handle every aspect of your residential project, ensuring a seamless and hassle-free experience. Throughout the entire process, we maintain complete transparency. You'll receive real-time updates, allowing you to stay informed and involved every step of the way. With advanced technologies like 360-degree video site inspection, drone survey, and building information modeling, we bridge the distance. Even if you're miles away, we make it as if you're right here in Jamaica. Don't let distance or stress hinder your dream of a perfect home. Contact AJAWI Limited today at 876-312-6036 and take the first step towards making your dream home a reality. AJAWI Limited, your trusted partner in building dreams.